Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making one of my all-time favorites. Okay, I have a lot of favorites, but this is one of them. It is s'mores. You know, the graham cracker crust, that Hershey's chocolate, that toasty marshmallow, and then the graham cracker on top. We're making it in a semi-fully homemade way. We're cheating on the marshmallows a little bit. You can make your own here. Very easy to do, but that's it. Otherwise, it comes together so quickly. They're going to be s'mores bars, and we get to use our very fancy torch. Oh, yes, we do. Love it. We're also making it because who wants s'mores? Marshmallow dreams, chocolate moonbeams, graham cracker crust holding it all together. Don't you wish you could have these s'mores right now? Well, you can. Let's make them. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. The second thing you want to do is get an 8x8 or something like it, a size pan ready to go. Put some foil down and spray that with non-stick spray. Graham cracker crumbs, light brown sugar, salt, melted butter. Mix together. Put in your tin. Into the oven for about 10 minutes until it starts to smell, well, delicious. Time's up. Oh, smells great. All right, let's make the chocolate layer. Chopped chocolate, sweetened condensed milk. Technically, this is supposed to go on the stove over some simmering water, but I think it can probably go in the microwave. Spread an even layer best you can. It's gonna thicken up pretty quickly. Place your marshmallows down immediately, pressing them in. When you're ready to serve, you can go ahead and put this in the broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes until those marshmallows are nice and toasty. I'm going to use a torch just because, well, it's kind of fun. All right, it has set up nicely. It's time to cut them. You can cut them as big or as little as you like. I'm going to make little bites of s'mores. Look at this. Oh, yes. Graham crackers on the bottom, thick chocolate layer, and that toasty marshmallow on top. Does this compete with the regular old s'mores? Let's find out, because you can make these s'mores for a crowd easily. Let's taste it. These are super delicious. It's got that toasty, gooey marshmallow with a luscious chocolate and then that graham crackers to sort of envelop it all into a thing of beauty. Yes, beauty, s'mores, it's a beautiful thing. If I can make these s'mores bars for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and check me out on Instagram.